Now we're gonna talk about upper cabinet mounting. Now this is always a little bit of a tricky thing. I've seen people just bolt big pieces of plywood right here, and of course that works, but we like to use our little CNC-made mounts. This makes life pretty dang easy when we sell these as well. They're easy, they're affordable, and they also utilize yet again a T-nut, so that way you bolt your cabinet to the wall. You don't use screws or anything thin and cheesy. There's a 1/4 bolt, and you can usually get 2 to 3 bolts per cabinet. What's really neat about these guys is they are, you know, again, CNC cut, so they always fit, and they fit perfectly inside this little slot. What's cool is this whole piece is very rigid, so once you bolt your cabinet to this, it doesn't cause any waves or any kind of deformation to the outside of the van, so that way when you catch the light, the outside of your van is nice and smooth. You can use different things. You can use pieces of sheet metal, aluminum, whatever you want. This is probably the more cost-effective way, and they're super easy to install. So you just set the thing up, just like that. You get a self-piercer. Oop, try not to catch your insulation. Hold it in place. So you have your bolt already, you know, situated. You don't have to put any sheet metal screws in. All you have to do is cut a hole in your wall panel, and you can make the hole pretty big, so that way you can bolt your upper cabinet directly to the wall, and again, use Loctite. You really want to make sure your upper cabinet is well secured to the wall. Keep clothes, light goods, food and stuff up in these, and then heavier items down low. But these will keep your cabinet secure to the wall. So you can either try building something like this, but this works really, really well. And let me show you what that looks like inside the van with the hole, so that way you have an idea of, you know, what to expect when you're ready to bolt your cabinet up. So we just have a couple little holes right here. Nothing crazy. There's nothing, you know, technical about this. It's just a hole. You just need to be able to reach your bolt. So these plates are already installed, and it's pretty easy because these plates also line up with your roof ribs. So you can trace these things out. They're easy to find once you get your walls up, but typically we'll, you know, measure stuff out. Just make sure all your mounts are easily accessible. Another cool thing, cabinet mounts. We set our walls directly on top of these cabinets, so that way we can just set our walls right on top of the rails, and they're perfectly aligned every single time. So that definitely helps when it comes to putting walls up.